Let's learn how to add a top menu bar to Android application. So as you can see, so what you have here is a top menu bar. So you see that the title is there and some icons are there on the menu. So you can also change the color of the menu bar, of the top bar. First thing we need to do is to create the directory, to create the menu directory. So as you can see, so you give it a directory name. So we'll give it menu as the name. I also done the one that has to do with creating a bottom menu bar. So I'll link it in the description of this video. So click on OK. So if you have watched that, it will be very easy to do this too. So you can see the menu folder or directory here. So I click on it, go to new menu, click on new menu resource file. So give it a name, then click on OK. So it gives you this codes. Okay, so you now have top menu underscore menu underscore bar.xml. So you can see that the file resides within the menu folder. We just type some code there. We create an icon for that, so it will be add icon or plus icon. Okay, so give the icon a name, then click on OK. So once you click on OK, so you click on finish like this. Okay, so then know that it's within the drawable that you create that. So we'll now come here and we'll say we'll add an icon, Android icon drawable, then I see add. So that's what we have there. So on that one, then we need to create a color. Icon tint should be white. That is, the color of the icon should be white. Then it should be show as if room. That is, if there's a space for it, it should show. You can always also use always. Okay, but for the sake of this, we are using if room. Then we'll just copy and paste that this item and modify it. So the name of the ID of the plus will be menu underscore add. Okay, so then the ID for the second one, which is search, it will be menu underscore search. Okay, so we'll give it a title, we'll call it search. Okay, then we need to add that icon. So go through the same process. We'll now change it here, so you can see that it is there now. So if you check it now, the output, you can see that you have the plus and the icon there. Okay, so now that we have done that, so let's close it out. Let's collapse that, close it out. Okay, so then we need to create a layout. Then go to the layout where we want to add it. We want to add it to the activity underscore main. Then you first need to give this one a color. Give it the color of off-white. I've also created this color scheme earlier. Okay, so then the color that I'm taking is from this values. Go to values folder, then go to color. So here is where I created all the colors that I'm using. So you can actually also create this color. So if you want to create a color, the particular color, so what you need to do is to just come here, just add the color tag, give it a name, and add the color. So as you can see here, so I just added a gold color. So but I'm going to delete this, so I don't need it. So delete it, then close this out, then go back to where you want to use it. So we want to use it in activity underscore main. So add Android app compat.toolbar. So it is this toolbar tag we are using to bring that menu into this file. Okay, so add all that we need to add. So the title will be my notes, and the ID will be toolbar. So note this ID because I want to use it in the Java file later. Okay, so once we have done that, I'll give it a style. If you use primary, you see that it's blue because that is the color I gave for the primary. Okay, but I'm going to use off-white. So off-white will make it white, because that's something very close to white, because that's what I created. I mean, I gave it. That's how I configured it basically. So we'll now go to main activity. We need to inflate that menu. So we'll create a function or a method called on create option menu. Then we'll now use a get menu inflator dot inflate menu. So as you can see here, so then that is the name of it, which is top underscore menu underscore bar. Okay, so then we return true. Okay, so now that we have done that, then come to this area, come to inside where you have on create. This one should be in your file already. So even if you have not been following this series, come to this on create method and add this code. Okay, so once you have done that, let's run it. So you can see that it doesn't show the menu. We need to add a margin to it so that there will be a margin top. We'll give it a figure. So look at your program and see the kind of figure that will match it. So once you have done that, then we run it. So once you run it, you can see that it's showing the icon now. I mean, it's showing the menu. It wasn't showing the menu before because there was no space for it. The recycler view was actually covering the menu. So with this margin top that we have added, so it's making the menu to show. Alright, so then of course you can also change the color of this top, as you can see, to blue. Of course, whatever it is we have used before or that you have configured, that you have created. So you can see that if I add the primary there, you can see that the color changes to blue now, and so on and so forth. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video, share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.